Roundabouts are still the most common places where people fail driving tests. In this video, I'm going to cover when you are not first vehicle approaching the roundabout. So what happens if there's somebody in front of you, and what are the potential implications? Why a lot of people still fail their driving assessments as a result of not doing this one particular thing correctly. So if you are the second vehicle and the first car gets to about middle of the roundabout. If you're the second behind that car, you should not commit inside of here until this black car has cleared enough space for you to fit inside of the roundabout. If you get stranded here and this driver is not moving for whatever reason, if this car hits you, it's your fault. I always repeat this particular rhyme: don't commit unless your car can fit. So never ever get stranded in the middle of the roundabout. We always suggest that the vehicle in front of you clears enough space so you can fit at least in the middle of the roundabout. If that car's coming through, they can pass you without interfering with you. One more thing, you should never be too close to the car. We should follow the 2 seconds rule, okay? So you gotta be 2 seconds behind any vehicle, doesn't matter what the speed is. We never measure how many meters should you be behind the vehicle that's in front of you. It's the time gap. It's the 2 seconds. So when the car in front of you reaches a fixed object, you can then count 1,000 to 2,000, which would represent the 2 seconds. If you reach that object on the road, the fixed object on the road, after 2 seconds, you are at the minimum distance behind that car. So wait until that vehicle gets at least, halfway out of the roundabout for you to get in there so they can proceed nicely without hitting you, okay? Some of the candidates also claim that they, failed in previous tests, that they were waiting for too long and potentially holding up traffic behind them. But look, you cannot get closer than 2 seconds from behind anyone, and particularly if somebody stops in the middle of the roundabout, so do not get stranded. So you cannot be in the middle without options to move further, because if somebody even purposely hits you, that's coming from your right hand side, if they want to write their car off and if they want to get the insurance payout for their car, it's going to be your fault. Just make sure that you don't put yourself in that position. So you will have to have enough space to move through before you get in the way of the car that has priority over you. As always, please feel free to ask any questions down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.